Odogu.
Hi, my brother. White man. This one way just hear me since we enter the way he say me, he can't see me, just hear me, Odogu. What thing that happen now? What thing that happen?
See, ma tell you, see, nobody for this area will never hear your hands. We never hear your doings. But the way that they carry all this small, wait, get the one I see you with yesterday. Now we bring out that one from water.
Nah, my brother, see, if I give you update, how all these things they carry, they come, you go better make it just dey very single, though. I'm not gonna lie for you. If big man tell you wetin, make him big man. You go better make it be poor man. No.
See, I don't like this you just talk now. I don't like him. Now you dey talk as if say me white man. Wait to, you dey forget. Me we don't do things. Wait till see if you tell me now. Wait till you now as he there now. No be you and me again. Now you know my man no.
Wait first. So wetin e mean now? You know say me I no like plenty talk. Wetin e mean now be say if you see updates now to dey carry them now, you go run am.
See, the way you dey like plenty talk, na so I no dey like plenty talk. You dey hear me? Mo dey go where the updates dey. Nah.
I am no wahala na since you say man give you. If I say man no give you updates now, you go be like say I be wicked person.
Odogu, that is why I know you. Na today, we just give me better pass.
I'm about to tell you how it has been from the onset. When you hear the name Judas, you know what I mean. Sons of Judas, oh, sons of Judas. Yeah. Sons of Judas, oh, sons of Judas. Yeah. Anywhere you see them, na wahala. Anywhere you see them, na gbege. Anywhere you see them, na palaba. Anywhere you see them, na gbege. Sons of Judas, oh, sons of Judas.
He no dey ever like listening to me. Nah, yeah.
Which kind empty space we carry me come like? Yeah, look like where something that happen at our guy.
Nah, yeah. The only problem what they get you to be say me wey be your cartel man. If I tell you something like this, you go be like say why you no dey lis ten? No.
This one that you are breathing like somebody that was chased by a eagle. What brought you to my domain?
Sinoma, see, you know that thing, this is my friend now. You know that thing where you do for me. See, this is my friend here. You want me to do that thing for her. The same thing where you do for me, do it for her.
For me.
Can you bear the consequences?
You never tell Baba. Baba. Anything we do for this my man, anything we know see do for him, do am for me. See, I go carry am for this my head.
Can you bear the consequences? This one that is looking like a thief.
But see that if not that one, na so in day since we in this small. Na so in day all this.
He have been looking like a thief since he was small.
Since he was small, Baba. So I beg, if you run am for her, I believe
Fine. I will do it.
Small.
Now, you see this? I tell you that this boy, his eye is too shiny. This boy can thief one day. You people should hold him.
Baba, sorry.
Do you know what they call this?
No, Baba.
Do you know what this is? You see this thing? When you get to the house, are you hearing me? When you get to the house, you will drink it half. Don't finish it, yo. You will drink it half. What did I say?
Half.
Half, oh. Now take. When you get home, drink only half, oh. Don't finish it. Are you hearing me? When you drink this thing, don't talk to anybody, yo. Kanigba, are you hearing what I'm saying?
Baba.
Don't talk to anybody, yo. Until you get to the person that you want to use it for, before you will talk. Are you hearing what I'm saying?
I don't hear. See, I know now. Guys, see. No need to carry the thing, go house now, Baba. The girl house just there along the road now. To just drink at once, Baba. More drink at once.
Drink at once now, if not.
Baba, until they happen. Now I walk.
Hey! Half!
Say you see this your friend, I say make you drink half, you have gone drink everything. He's hungry that will kill this one. This one is hungry, man. No. Don't talk to anybody. In fact, get out of my slime before you will talk to me. If you talk to me, I will strike you with thunder. Oh. Get out of my slime. Get out of. If you talk to me, I will strike you.
You go drink that thing, finish. Eh? They say. No try to say one talk. I think I will say talk. No talk, please. No talk. No one. See. You know, say this thing now girl you dey go see, and na your first time. You must find way now. We'll find way now. Buy something like bread. Carry give am. I say, move buy better bread. So that as you hold that bread for hand there, as you just go meet her, fine girl, you know I love you. You not presenting the bread. No, shh. Let me hear something. As you give her the bread now, the girl go there and say, I love you, come hug you. My boy. No talk. Shh. My boy.
Like this.
But this is what this guy is talking to. Just say last card. Now they Chris, you dey mad. Come on, give me my bread, Jerry. They mad. Now you dey mad. Now give me that bread, Jerry. Come on, give me bread. I love you. Give me bread. Tell me I love you. Who tell me I love you? Come on, give me bread, Jerry. I love you. Give me bread. Tell me I love you. Tell me I love you, man. I love you. Let me go close. Thank God, sit down. My sister see you. See me see trouble. Bread what I buy to come present my love for you. And this madman go collect the chop. I know now you are even fine. I love you. Wait. I don't love anybody again. Now my fault, you love person. Now my fault. I love you.